how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Google Play Store onto your phone, guys, onto your iPhone right away. So this does not require a jailbreak. As you can see, I got the fully working Play Store right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. It fully works and it is super cool. So hop with me now. We're going to become masters of the Play Store together. And I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your iPhone. Guys, so as you can see, we got the Google Play Store right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this on your iPhone. So what you want to do is go to the site. It's actually this site right here. Let me just type it in. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Play Store. And as you can see, guys, it says Google Play Store mod. So press on it and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try this out. It's super cool. I've already installed it, obviously, as you saw. But guys, you don't have to have an Android phone to install the Google Play Store. You can actually get it a different way. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. And I mean, one thing I could tell you is if you go to Settings app, go to General, and make sure, guys, that you have the background app refresh turned on. And make sure you've got low power mode turned off. If you do these things, you should be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. That's all you gotta do, guys. Just go onto this zoomods.com website, guys. Type in Play Store. You're gonna be good to go, guys. So I will see you later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super wild. It actually works. As you can see, I got the full Play Store right here. It's super cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but if this video works, you guys be sure to go and share it. I'll see you later. But yeah, I mean, this is super awesome. I mean, I've tried a couple methods, honestly. Nothing really is legit, but this website, guys, has the actual Play Store for iOS. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Totally works, guys. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. Remember, just go to Zoom Mods, find Play Store, press on it, you're done. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe, get the word out. Super insane. Who even developed this? I don't know. But I'm going to see you guys in another video. And peace out, my dudes.